Hello lovelies, how are you? I hope I find you well. Today I'm going to show you how to do single crochets. So I've just done them in 3 colors so that you can see how they look on different colors. Okay, so I'm going to begin. I'm going to make this video very short but for beginner friendly. Okay, so to begin I'm going to use this thick yarn, and I'm using a size 6 millimeter hook, so that I'm using a chunky yarn so that it's easy to see. Okay, so the first thing that you do is you take your yarn, you put one on top of the other like that to form like a circle. Then what you're going to do, you're going to take your finger, then you're going to grab this one, then you're going to put it in the middle like that. And when you put it in the middle, you're going to pull this one and this one together like that, and that is what we call a slip knot. Right, so now once I have my slip knot from my crochet hook, what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold my crochet hook like a knife, just like this. Then I'm going to take my yarn, I'm going to repeat 1, 2, then with this finger and this finger I'm going to hold this part, right, just like that. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move my hook forwards, I'm going to go up a little bit to catch yarn, then I'm going to turn my hook to face down, then I'm going to move my hook going backwards, passing through that loop, just like that. Then I'm going to hold the part that I just did, I'm going to do it again, move it forward, go up a little to catch yarn, turn your hook to face downwards, then I'm going to move down, just like that, and that is called chaining. So I'm going to do it a little bit faster. Oh, sorry. 4, 6, 10. I just wanted something small. So now that I have my chain of 10, what I'm going to do is that I'm not going to look at the first loop, I'm going to look at the second loop, and in the second loop I'm going to insert my hook in there, just like that. Then I'm going to do the same motions I did when I was chaining. I go up a little bit, you catch yarn, then you turn your hook to face downwards, then you pass through that loop. Now as you can see, you've got 2 loops on your hook. So now what you're going to do is the same movements. Move your hook forward, you go up a little bit, you turn your hook to face down, then you're going to pass through both of those loops, and that is a single crochet. So we're going to go into the next stitch, insert the hook in the middle, you catch yarn or you grab yarn, you pass it through that loop, and now you have 2, right, and you're going to pass through the 2. I'm going to do it a 3rd time slowly. Go into the next stitch, you put your hook in the middle, you move forward, you sort of like take your hook to go like upwards a little bit to catch yarn, then you turn it to face down, then you're going to move your hook going backwards, then it's going to pass through that loop, and that will give you 2 loops like that. So now what we're going to do with the same movements, catch the yarn, turn your hook to face downwards, we're going to make it pass through the first loop like that, then it's going to pass through the second loop, just like that. So I'm going to do it off camera all the way to the end of the stitches. Okay, so I have reached the end of my line and I've done all single crochets. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to chain 1. So those basic movements are the basis of crocheting. You hold it like a knife or a pencil, however you're comfortable with, and that's how you turn. So now when we turn, you see this chain that we did and this stitch here. Now if I flip my thingy like this, you can see these 2 V things. We're going to put our crochet underneath those 2. I hope you can see that. Then we're going to do the same movements of doing a single crochet. Put it under those 2 1, 2. So insert your hook under there. Same thing. Your, what you call it, your project, and that is what a single crochet. And to turn, you just chain 1. So there's so many things you can do with single crochets. You can make scarves, you can make different projects. Then once I'm done, I'm going to chain 1, and that is how you turn. So if you continue doing that, what you call it, that's how your project grows. Yeah, so that's it. And let's say after this line, you've reached the end of, that's the size that you want, and you want to finish it, to cut your yarn off. So what you do, so I'm at the last like this, then I'm going to chain 1, right? Wait, hold on. So I've just cut the yarn. So if, let's say, this is where I wanted to finish, I'm just going to pull your yarn, and that's it. Need to show you again, just with the different yarns, and that is a single crochet. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to this channel to see more beginner friendly videos. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.